Okay guys, so today we're gonna try to clean our bootloader for GRUB. So we'll follow these instructions in terms of doing that. So first download it. We're gonna download it and then just wait for the download to happen and press download. So this will download the file onto your machine. So we'll save it. Okay, let's put it somewhere. Let's create a folder for that. GRUB. GRUB. Download. Download themes. Okay, so we're gonna save it here. So tar file. Okay, so it's saved. Here that this is showing it's saved. So download. Unfortunately, I need to configure this because somehow the downloads organized. I don't know why they keep disappearing. Maybe last 7 days or something like that. Okay. So we know it's in downloads. Just open the folder. Downloads. You're going to look for something called GRUB. Okay, this is it. So this is what we have, right? So we need to maybe extract it too. So let's create a folder so we can extract this. So GRUB tm. Okay, yeah, we'll just give it that and then we'll select that for extraction. So that's the file. So we're in here. Okay, so this is this is the file, sorry. Okay, so that's the theme text. So we need this hierarchy. I'm not sure how we can okay, so alright, so search. Okay, let's not do that. Get back. It's the files in one. Doesn't show us any readme. So it doesn't show us any readme, but that's alright. Always map plan, that's weird. So look at what that shows us. This is weird. Okay. Alright, we have some. Alright, so this is just a config file of some sort. So let's close it. Don't save it because we don't know if we modified the file. Okay, so what does it say? So we've extracted it. Now we need to edit the GRUB. Okay, so we'll edit that then. Okay. So open up a terminal. My current terminal is Terminator, so let's move this guy to the side and we'll just work with the terminal. If I can move the terminal into adjustable position. So it says that we need to, let's give some space on this one. Alright. Hello. Okay, that's good. So what do we need to edit? Edit the GRUB. I don't know if that's what we need to. Let's just go there first. Okay, cd to GRUB, paste. It's not a directory. Okay, that's right. So this is going to be a file. see what's there. It's GRUB. Do you see GRUB? Oh, you see GRUB. Cat. GRUB. Alright. Sign out to use Cotillion. Okay. So it's in the ground at this thing directory. Okay, so let's have a look at what's in here. Okay, so that's a file. What's in GRUB? Alright, so let's have a look at what's in GRUB. Cat. Let's not use cat. Let's use list. I want to see what that file is. Okay, so there's not much of a file. So it says, so we need to copy that file into the boot system. Right, so I think what that means is we need to take this file and we need to go to the home or the boot directory. Oh, MFA. Oh, you take mom phải động miếng. Okay, something. Okay, maybe that's the internet. So let's go to the home. Start and so let's just go here. So we need to go to home, right? Boot. CD boot. CD GRUB. Okay, so where you go? Both GRUB and there is no theme. Should I add a theme? Should I add a theme there? Oh, is that one? No chaos. Okay, so let's have a look. Okay, so let's open this. It's empty. And we can sudo open. Alright, so we're currently root. So that means we can copy stuff in here. So we're currently in root, so we can copy stuff into this directory. So where did we dump that? GRUB. Okay, so we need this one. So copy. And then we're just gonna paste it in here. Alright, so that's there. That's good. Now if we have a look, we have themes folder, S, we have a GRUB, CD, S, and we have the themes, cat, theme sticks. Alright, so that's what we have. So now we need to go back. What does it want? Okay, so we copied that. Then we just say it just needs to add this line and then press update. Okay. Right. So sudo and where is that etc, right? Etc default. What was it? GRUB, alright, GRUB D, just GRUB, okay, GRUB terminal, okay, so do the solution, right, does it have a theme? Okay, it does not have a theme, so it does not have a theme. If you change this file, run update GRUB afterwards to update full documentation. Alright, timeout, terminal, minutes. Okay, so I'm coming to get a beeping at GRUB store. Okay, I'm going to disable general recovery. Okay, so yeah, so we'll just put it here. What we want to do is just add that line. To check this line is correct, and the theme is on that line. I'm just going to split this just to get a little terminal prompt. And then let me just cat. If we get the content of the theme, okay, then the theme exists at that directory. Wonderful. Now we just press X and this and out. Okay, so I guess now we just need to run this command. So sudo okay, so we'll just do that, right? And it should update GRUB. Okay, found. Okay, great. Alright, so now we need to reboot our system. So let me reboot the system. Where is that?